Funahashi in Toyama Prefecture is the smallest village in Japan in terms of area. It is nonetheless home to the headquarters of FINECS, a specialist manufacturer of items such as terminal pins and leads. The name FINECS comes from the word fine and the abbreviations CS, short for customer satisfaction. As this suggests, the company's corporate philosophy is based on providing customers with the very best in QCD, confidence and peace of mind at all times.
I have always thought of our corporate philosophy and company name as two sides of the same coin. I thought that we needed a name that would immediately present a unified image, even after I am no longer here. We are also committed to compliance from the point of view of environmental preservation and aim to develop as a company hand in hand with local communities.
Located several kilometers away from its headquarters, the company's Jojo plant chiefly manufactures CPU pins for computers, an area in which FINECS boasts a leading share of the global market. Renovations of the Jojo plant were completed in 2001. Prior to renovations, it used an LPG-powered absorption chiller as the heat source for its air conditioning system.
We used to rely on a single LPG-powered heat source, so we were at serious risk in case of breakdown. We also had a shortage of maintenance staff during the changeover between summer and winter. We now have 8 modules. This has the advantage that if one breaks down, we can still cover operations with the remaining 7.
When it came to upgrading its facilities, the company opted to use groundwater as a source of renewable energy. It combined groundwater, which maintains a steady temperature all year round, with water source heat pumps to ensure more consistent performance, given that Toyama is prone to snow. The addition of an iced thermal storage system, meanwhile, will help power load leveling and cut running costs when used for cooling.
Temperatures vary enormously in Toyama, getting up to 35 degrees in the summer and down to -3 degrees in the winter. Meanwhile, groundwater temperatures remain stable, however, varying from 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. So if you combine the ideal temperature of groundwater with heat exchange technology, you can expect to maintain air conditioning performance at a stable level. We opted for ice thermal storage because the thermal mass is 12 times greater than water. We knew it would be possible to store heat overnight because the Jojo plant doesn't operate 24 hours a day. So we went for a thermal storage system. At the Jojo plant, groundwater used for geothermal heat is returned to an existing water tank. From there, it is reused inside the plant for purposes such as cleaning products, everyday water, and melting snow. Any leftover water is then drained into the river. We are also currently carrying out work using geothermal heat at our headquarters.
Combining groundwater as a renewable source of energy with an ice thermal storage system, the company expects to reduce its combined running costs, including fuel and maintenance, by around 60%. In an effort to save even more energy, analyzing system data and confirming operations is done so that the system could run in optimum operation. Despite the fact that groundwater is in plentiful supply, it is still necessary to use this precious resource effectively. The plant is a model case within the region in terms of reusing heat rather than merely using water. As we look to the future, knowledge and technical capabilities will encourage fresh creativity. Bonds between people will strengthen trust and lead to greater harmony. That never-ending loop will generate hope and prosperity. That's what is written on a monument erected at the Jojo plant. Fueled by creativity, harmony, and prosperity, FINECS will continue to hone its technologies and forge ahead based on trusting relationships with its customers.